Well guys, here we are with a Ford Fusion. We have a battery. It appears to be gone. So guys, we're going to change this battery out. I don't have the new one, so right now we're just going to take this one out, take it to the store, and get one and come back. I'm going to give y'all a close-up just so you can see what's all involved. That little screw right there happens to be an 8mm. I already checked. This one right here on top, that's a 10mm. Then we got to go back there and dig a little deeper. Kind of feel like what I'm gonna do back there might be, I don't know, I'll see when I get back there, but I could very well just take the topper loose, slide the battery to me, and then take the actual post off of it. I'll figure it out when I get there. No need to speculate just what's gonna go on. We'll see when we get there. What really would come in handy right now is the extension. Remember how when you guys were little and your mommy told you, put your toys back up and you finish playing with them? Well, evidently I didn't put the extension back up for the quarter drive, so I gotta use the 3/8 drive to get this loose. Fine with me. Here it go right here. You can see it came off easy, especially with this 3/8 drive. Set that down there. Grab this 10mm. Loosen this baby up. What trips me out is there's no handle on this battery. I see a place for where the handle used to be, but it's no handle on there. We have a whole lot of corrosion back here too. I see that. Guess the little Coke trick didn't work. Put some Coke on it the other night. Seems to be a little tight. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. Everything's tight. Tight. Go ahead and pull this off. That way I can get the battery out. And I can have more room to play with everything that I need to play with. Put a little pressure on it, you know what I'm saying? It is hot. Alright, we did that. And like I was telling you guys earlier, see the two things right here for the handle, but there's no handle on there. And that bad boy is out. I'm gonna grab some pliers, twist the top of it a little bit. Well guys, here we are back with the new battery. Clean this battery terminal up pretty good. And guess with what? Hot water. I was asking the guy at the store about something to put on here, and one of the workers actually told me, because he was saying they don't sell spray for this. One of the workers told me, man, you could just put a little hot H2O on there. So that's what I did, and it actually worked. So we're back. See guys, this one actually has a handle on it. It lets you know the other handle indeed was broke off at some time or another, and the bad thing about it is the battery had never been replaced before, so it kind of makes it seem like the dealership had something to do with it. Might just happen to take this back off until I get it in the hole. It seems like doing a little rubbing. Seems like it's a little easier to come off now that it's clean and got all that acid on it. This battery is not fitting exactly the same. There we go. Awesome. Slide that bad boy back. Put this back on there. Bam. Tighten you up a little bit. pretty snug to me, so. Might want to hold on to your tools a little better than what I'm doing. Especially because I don't know where my magnet is. Nice little snug fit on that one. We're gonna slide that bad boy back. A little post protector off. There we go. And last but not least, because this is very important because you don't want your battery sliding all over the place. Believe it or not, this is Craftsman. Maybe need some oil on it or something. It's sure acting like it's a piece of crap. Nice little snug on that. Set these down here. Be right back. BRB. Okay guys, it crunk right back up. And there you have it. That's how you replace that Ford Fusion 2016 and probably all the rest of the models that was made after that one. That's how you replace the battery. Thanks for watching.